Alright, so here's our follow-up video of the swarm from Boylston, Mass. That we got out of the tree on Thursday. I'm here with Scott Herbert. Sunday about 1:20. So now we're going to open this up, going to get involved, see if the queen is in there. And a good tip is when you do a removal, whatever the case is, if you can get a drawn out comb in there, is a plus, because looking for the queen, it helps out when you can look in a drawn out comb into the cells. The queen, trying to look for the queen, we looked in the cells, and Scott obviously noticed the eggs, so we knew she was in there, and then we eventually spotted her. So it's just another tip to look in the cells or have a drawn out comb for the bees when they're established. So we are searching for the queen. We have opened the hive, which is the vacuum box that we got here that Scott's working right now. So we're going to get them to their home, and I'll have another video of follow-up about the vacuum box in the future here that we will have in the future. So right now we're following up with the days. They've been acclimated, opened up, flying in and out. So we're going to see if we can locate this queen. So we also have the bottom board on here. We're going to place them on an actual hive bottom board. Kind of go through the frames one by one.
See any queen. Started making a queen cup, but there's no
So we're not seeing a queen, which happens with that removal. It was tough part of the tree to get them out inside. And the queen could have possibly died as well. So
we do have a group of red queen cells that will be ready probably tomorrow. So we'll give this hive a cell, and then a virgin queen will hatch. She'll go out and get mated, and the hive will be happy again.
So I'm moving them to the base here. From the bottom board, from the the vacuum board. So we have some queens that are basically going to be available that we'll introduce into this hive, and they'll be good. Sometimes it happens when you're moving hives in different locations, or a swarm I should say. Sometimes it's very tough. As we saw, we drilled in the bottom of the hole to smoke them out, and it was a very tight spot to get in there. There was an open cavity about 4 feet that only had about a 2-inch opening on some parts of it. So we looked, but you never know. So we'll do a follow-up with that as well for the queen. And make this hive happy again.
We'll feed them, keep them happy, and then once we got a queen in there, they'll be good to go.
Yep. So we'll do another follow-up. So that's them backing off the vacuum board. On a regular base here, and they're going in. Kind of kept it kind of close, so they're not too, the foraging bees are not too confused when they come back. So another step. Thank you for watching.